Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Oh God, 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 oh God. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by.
Yo, good morning. What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good evening, Mitch says. Good evening. Yeah, buddy. We got the music. We got the music. Alrighty. Try to catch us a trade here, man. Good morning, Coach Canoe. Good morning. Hair's crazy right now. Let me just test out the old copy trader. Yep. Everything looks good. Ready to roll here. Everything looks good and ready to roll. Let me go look at gold here. See what's going on. Looks like it's coming down. Gold is coming down here. Stick to NQ though, just focus on one pair. You just focus on one pair. What are you guys thinking? Thinking we keep going down here, or are we going up? What's the move here? Right at that little trend line right there, but got a close bounce to it. See here on the 5-minute. Got a gap right here. Just gonna sit here and wait a minute. See what's going on. Just tapped into this 5-minute gap. Wonder if we just turn around and go down one more time. With the trend lines again, come on, man. Let me have some faith on that. Nah, I think, they work. It's just, what strategy am I feeling at the moment, basically. The only thing I don't like about the trend lines, and especially with Apex accounts, so say you have your price, you got your price bouncing. When it finally breaks, it'll come down and you can enter, but sometimes it'll come back up to retest the line up here. So if it comes down a bit and then comes back up to retest the line, that eats away a lot of your drawdown, and then it'll finally make that move. So you can wait on the retest of the line, but a lot of times sometimes it'll just break the line and go. So you don't want to miss the move. That's the only thing I don't like about them, but I do like them. Yeah, man, I like the shorts. Yeah, that's true. Oh man, dude. Come on. I don't think it's gonna let us in here. No, I'm looking for a short. Trying to get in the short right here. Want the best entry though. Not sure if we get it though. Not sure if we get it. It's probably just gonna go down without us here. See, we got a little trend line. Got a little triangle forming right here. Hopefully it'll just pop up, get us in, and then come down. Because I really want to be in this trade. Yeah, those accounts survived. Actually came out green. So that's good. They survived. They survived. Man, it's just gonna go down without us. Should've just got in. Probably should've just got in. Come on. Oh boy. Oh boy. Look at this. That don't look good. That don't look good. This is one mini. Trading one mini. One mini contract. You're welcome. Not looking good though. Stopped out of this real fast. Dang it. Well, there's a quick little loss. Looks like we're retesting yesterday's high. Let's see. All right. Okay, what is this, dude? Why is one of them still in? One of them still in. All right, it's all right. What the heck, man? Copy trader. What the heck? Copy. Come on, copy trader. The heck, man? Stupid copy trader, man. I should be out of this position, up 150. Instead, now I'm down. And down drawdown also. Come on, you stupid copy trader. Stupid copy trader. Stupid copy trader. That should have been a win on this account, but instead, in drawdown, down $93 on it. Now, if this inverses here, I'll retake it. The other accounts here just swept all this area right here. Just swept all this stuff right here. Now, if we get a little inversion right here, probably not. Might want to come up here, but we did. Left a block right here. Come back down. $320. I noticed 4 o'clock 4 o'clock reversals, Bowser, but seems like 320 it did it today. But it was really like 3 o'clock. See, coming down, and then at the 3 o'clock is when that move kind of started, made a higher low right here. There was the bounce around 3. It just made a higher low at 320. $15-minute range playing out again perfectly. Went in drawdown about 10 ticks. Went up 72 so far. Yeah, man, stupid account. I'm still in it over here. I'm just mad about it now. Man, the copy trader literally didn't take it out with the other accounts for some reason. Shouldn't even be in this trade. Oh, what the heck? But now I'm just waiting on a short on these accounts right here, so keep them up. But it's like right here. This inverses right here. I'm gonna take the snot out of it. Oh God, right when I got in, the worst time. No. Nah, it's Quantower. It's the Quantower trade copier. Lord. Nothing, it just lets me know where price is compared to the 200 moving average. I like it. Well, I don't really like it when it's like this. I like it when it's like way far away from it like this, because it likes to kind of stay near it most of the times. So when it gets way far away from it, I'm always looking for like a little move back down towards it. This one move way far away from it, move back towards it a little bit. Stuff like that. Just when it gets way far away from it, I look for a move back towards it. This one crossed over it now, so I don't know if it's gonna keep going up. You know, a lot of people, when it crosses, they look for it to keep on going. Let's see here if we get wrecked. See if we get wrecked. See if we get wrecked on these accounts. What's up? What's up? Dang it, man. I'm looking rough here. Just turn it down, man. Turn it down for us. Come on, push it down for us here, man. Just turn and burn. Turn and burn down. Don't reject right here. Notice a lot of the times it'll just reject off these little levels and continue the move. Come up, reject, and continue the move. me see here. Light in the current 30-minute candle. Yeah. It's gonna give one of these numbers. Hey, can we dump, please? Coach Canute says we should get a small pullback before going after the high. Well, let's see. Going after the high. Well, that would really suck. But that's what it looks like. We can get a little rejection off of this level here and just bring it on down. Nope, not gonna happen, Sergeant. Looks like we're just gonna move it on up higher. New hour and 7 minutes here. Looks like we are going after the high. Really sucky. Really sucky. New 5-minute candle here. Yeah, Canute. Let's see. The long is gonna play out. I'm in a short, so I'm against you. Or against it. Against the longs. I'm a bear. Bears versus the Bulls, baby. Come on, Bears. Take the elevator down. Take the elevator down, Bears. Let's take the elevator. It can't do it. Break a structure. Is it just gonna be a little fake out, or is it gonna come down now? Bring it on down, Bears. Let's see it happen. Break through that 200 and get on down there. $50 and the 200, both right here. It's about to be 4 o'clock. About to have an hourly open here. Want to see a dump. Want to see a 4 a.m. dump. See a 4 a.m. dump. Dump it past those EMAs and get down there. Dump it down past those EMAs and get down there. See a 4 a.m. dumpage. 2-minute warning. What's up, Yokozuna? 2-minute warning for the dumpage, Coach Canute. Let's see it. I don't know. It kind of looks like it's a bull flagging. Little bull flag here to. It's bull flagging. "24 seconds here." Well, let's see the dumpage. Boom, baby. 4 a.m. dumpage there. Let's go back up on all the accounts, baby. Bank. Back up. Probably should have held, but maybe we'll get another entry if it wants to keep going down. Look at that. Look at that. Look where it bounced. Right off that 15-minute range. All right, now maybe we get a hold right here. Need a hold right here. For it to keep coming down, we need a hold. Oh boy. We got out at the perfect time. It's breaking this little downtrend line. Looks like it was just grabbing to come back up here, grabbing some steam. We got out at the perfect time. Now it's grabbing some steam to go higher. Just made that bottom wick. We're just making that bottom wick on the 1 hour to just moon rocket. Glad I got out of there. Testing this level right here now. that we had drawn up. If it breaks through that, it's probably going to the highs. Glad we got out of there, man. That's there it goes. There's that pop up, popping up now. Looks like we're going higher here. Looks like we're going higher. That 1 hour was just grabbing some steam down to go up. Seems like we are just going higher here. Just gonna go on up to the highs up there, baby. We are pumping. We are pumping now, baby. Look at this, dude. 15-minute range bounce. Why didn't I take this play today? Up 107 ticks so far off of the bounce play, dude. Like perfect, 2 days in a row, perfect entries basically. Like no drawdown, perfect entries on those range plays, dude. I mean, yeah, 15-minute opening range bounce, perfect. Going up to those highs now here. Check out this daily here. Going to feel this wick on the daily. We are pumping up here, boys. Your target is 890.50. Oh yeah, that's way up there. Let's see what that is. Anything's there. $890.50. Right there. Oh yeah, pump it up there for him. Got a little level here. Little chop zone, could get a bounce in. Gold looks like it had a look at this 15-minute bounce play, dude. Look at the bounce play. Goodness. Oh, Sally. Look at that. How much did this one give you? $100. Wouldn't have been good, but this bounce play up here, dude, paying. And the NQ's just flying. NQ's just flying. See if it breaks out of this. If it starts to break out of this, we're really going, boys. If it breaks this right here, we're flying. We're flying, no pullbacks. It's breaking it. It's getting ready to fly. Thing's getting ready to fly. Let's go, SP. Appreciate it. Let's go. Exactly. We might know where it's going, but not know how. Yeah, like Coach Canute said, he was saying right here somewhere, right in here, that, you know, price is going up to break the highs. But that 4 o'clock candle hit and it dumped real fast and then right back up. I'm just watching right now. I don't really know where price wants to go. I mean, I think it wants to go higher. But yeah, when it's up here, I'm not going to be looking for long, even though that's probably where it's going. But it's just, this move is just so fast and straight that I feel like we need some kind of pullback here. We'll see. So fast and straight that we need at least a little pullback to keep on going. But with the NQ, you never know. You know, it can just can just go. Let's see about a measured move here. Check out a measured move. It's about at the same spot, a little bit higher as this one went before it pulled back. So a measured move went this high, pull back this one. You know, just measured moves. 3 to 330 looks like a double bottom. Yeah. It's a nice higher low right here. Nice little higher low W pattern to keep on going. But how high? That's always the question. How high is higher? Thing's getting ready to burst through here. Thing looks like it's getting ready to burst. Things breaking out of this line, getting ready to burst. 28 seconds left on this. Once it breaks through, wouldn't be surprised to see a little retest of this line and fly. We'll see though. We'll see. I'm gonna go grab a cup of Joe real fast and then come back and see where this price is at, man. Feel like we're at a zone where it can do something here. Getting tight into these lines here. When you really see a move, it's either gonna burst up or burst down here. I mean, so close to these highs, but it is in this kind of downward, making lower lows area. It got really close to breaking those highs and the bears just pulled it right before broke these highs up here. I imagine it'd go break those. Probably just grabbing a little liquidity to go higher. Yeah, nice wiki rejection right there. Wonder if it's just gonna turn and go higher now. Wonder if it's just gonna turn and go higher. See, we got a 5-minute gap right here. Tapped into that 5-minute gap. All right, I'm gonna go get a coffee. Be right back. All right, we're back. ES already took the high. Oh, that would be nice for the shorts, because that would mean SMT. It did. Ooh. Ooh. We got SMT here. I don't really look at that, but we're also about to get a 5-minute inversion play maybe. And if this 5-minute inverse here, say it's good for the shorts to come down. We still have 3 minutes left on that. That 1 minute just inversed that beautifully. Got a trend line here also, so let's see how that plays out. Now this is about the level it would reverse, because just based on measured moves here. Now if we duplicate this, put it right there, see, like that's about the level it would reverse. It's about how low this one went. So let's see if it bounces back here, gives us an inversion right here. Adrian said ES already took the high, so that's a nice SMT, I believe it's called. I believe it's called an SMT. This 5-minute gonna inverse this right here. We got 45 seconds. This 5-minute inverses it. I think we're coming down, boys. If this 5-minute here, we got 35 seconds on a beautiful looking inversion right here. SMT with the ES. So when I come down here to the Asian low down here, all right. Right here at this trend line here, new 5-minute dumping down. Let's see if it comes down to this 15-minute range. Let's see if it holds, or if it's just gonna make a higher low somewhere right in here, fake out the trend line. Alright, so we got a plan now. I've got a plan. If it starts a little pullback and then inversion, I'm going short. Right here. Just retested that trend line there. This is a nice little 1 minute inversion here. See a retest up into here, inversion down. Big pump incoming. News came out. What news? What news came out? It's not moving the market. Oh dang, these aren't up. There we go. You see I'm green in all the accounts, so that's good. So let's see if this is one of those fake inversions that I've been seeing a lot lately. When it's going in a direction and it wants a direction, it'll give you an inversion and then fake it out and dump. And that's where I was getting killed for a while. I would take setups like this. Well, I don't know if this one's gonna play out or not, but I would take inversions like, you know, just inversions, and then they would just immediately fail, like right after the candle that closed above. So let's see if this is one of those. I would actually like that. Kind of indicators they got on Quan Tower. Oh snap, boys, we gotta play the Wordle. See that? Still hasn't closed below it yet. Oh, look at this, man. What is this word here? Does it start with a P? Start with a P, or is the P right here? It could be a double I, something I, PIL, or PI. Or I think that's it. That's a good word. That's a good word. Woo!
Well, Dak, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last.
Bang. What's happening here? What's happening here? What's happening here? Now we have broken out of both ways here, out of both trend lines. We've broken out of both of these trend lines here. And now it's starting to come up. So it's starting to come up now. It's coming to break these highs up here probably, man. Oh man. Kinda looks like it's coming to break these highs. If you want me to be honest. So I'm not looking. Unless we get something beautiful. ES held 6100. ES held 6100. Let's see. Yep. Bear flag for me? Yeah. Trying to see if the ES is doing better with inversions lately. Because I like inversions, they're simple, easy to read. That's 5 minutes anyway. What's a gold doing here? Man, NQ's playing around here. Look at inversion worked this time. Inversion worked up to the highs. Oh, well not really, because you'd have put your stop at break even when this candle broke, got stopped out at break even, and then pumped right back up. Alright, let's see if it taps into here and gives some kind of bearish formation. See if it gives some kind of bearish formation out of here. Gotta setting right ray. Adrian, you're waiting on the 1 hour close. Yeah, it's probably best. We got 24 minutes on that. Well, 23 minutes on that. Let's see, let's look at the 1 hour here. Look at the one. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Yeah, came right up there and wicked back down. I wonder if we're gonna make a little range here now. Make a little range like here and here. So we got there. There. That's the 1 hour levels I'm seeing. Probably just making a little range here. But this would look like a nice two candle pullback to shoot up higher. Oh, you're waiting on the 1 hour range? Well, the 1 hour range should already be set. Oh, you're talking about the whole London range. Okay, I got you. London range. I'd say that might be the high on the London range, but we'll see. Need to wait and see. I mean, a lot can happen in 20 minutes. A lot can happen in 20 minutes. We got that 5 minute inversion, so you know it's looking good. It just it tapped into there. I want to say it's coming down. Got some nice like support area here that I feel like it could just kind of tap through at least. So how often do you see like just a bottom like this? I mean, right here actually, bottom just like that. Bottom just like that. Oh, like this one, it was looking like that, and then this came up and got it. Yep, there, just went and got it. Now it's going down here. That 5 minute inversion looks like it's playing out here. Might go take this wick down here. This is an area of support right here though, so Could bounce right here. Draw out two little ranges right there. Two little ranges right there. Let's see if it closes outside of here or not. See if this 5 minute wants to close outside of here. This is an area of support right here. I mean, it looks nice for the downside. We got beautiful inversion. We had a fair value gap going up, one candle fair value gap going down, inverse it, retested it, slamming down here. I mean, these lows looking good down here, making lower highs up here, kind of more like a triple top up here, but each one getting lower on the NQ. Got a SMT with ES up here, so yeah, looking good. Looking good. VWAP around the AOS. What's AOS? What's AOS? $46 seconds left on this 5 minute. See if we see some kind of retest of this area right here, or if it's gonna close back up in there. That would be crazy. It closed back up in there. 30 seconds here. A little head and shoulders action here, huh? Head and shoulders. All right. Well, it barely did, but it closed barely under that. See if it comes up in here. Kind of would like it to leave a little inversion right here, and I can take it short. It'll just, nah, didn't do it. Elenium said, what is your trading setup dash strategy? Basically support and resistance, inversions. Whenever I see a good setup, you know, we had a bull flag forming right here, and then it just dumped down. It worked. We got a nice head and shoulders right here. So if this, you know, is gonna play out, it'll come down. So I mean, basically, with all these, you know, clues, it's looking more like shorts. So then I just look and try to find a short entry. We got a 5 minute close outside of this support area here. So I could have took a retest of this area to bring it down. You know, I need to stick to one strategy. I just haven't figured out which one yet. I mean, I think the best mentally is this 5 minute strategy, because I know where my stop should be based on the candles and stuff. And Adrian's a lot smarter than me. 5 minute CISD once 1 hour close, See, I don't know what that means. I just use candlesticks, Selenium. And I don't know what CISD means. CISD once 1 hour closes. You know, I want to say this is just gonna go like this, maybe tap up in here and come down. Order block form, change the state of delivery. Basically an order block form on the 5 minute. Oh, nice. So would you say that happened when it broke this area around 21,807 or this one around 21,803? Is it the 21,803 because that's when it was going up? Would it be this 21,803 level? Rob Wood, yeah. Elenium, I've looked at Bookmap. It's kind of confusing to me. Adrian, yeah, 21,803. Yeah. Yep. I mean, does this not look like a textbook Head and Shoulders though? To come down. Adrian says, looks pretty good. What about volume? No, Elenium. Only thing I use is what you see on this chart right here. That's all I use. I use the candles, I use some boxes, and I use some lines. That's what I use. And I use an orb indicator. So it basically just gives me the high and low of a 15-minute candle. Yeah, that's what I heard, Elenium. I hear they're pretty powerful. See if it bounces off of this 15-minute. See if it's got one more bounce in it or if it's just going to break through it. Bounced here off of the 15-minute orb. There perfectly. Is it going to bounce one more time off of it? These are 1-minute candles. These right here are 5-minute. These are the 5-minute candles. It's bouncing down there close to that. I don't think it holds this time though. If it gets down here, I think it's going down. Might, you know, come up here, test in this area somewhere. Give us a nice inversion that I can take down. Would look nice. But it just hasn't given us one here. Want to see that 1 hour close for the creation of the swing. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Do you look at NVPOCs? Nope. That just retested that support turned resistance now. Retested it perfectly and bounced. Yeah, karma. It's hard. It's not hard as in like taking the trades, because you can copy trade them. It's hard mentally. It is hard if you trade them in like 4 groups or 5 groups. That's what I want to do, but I just don't have enough time. So now I've switched over to 2 groups, and yeah, I'm doing 2 groups. It's the worst part is just it's hard mentally. It's the main thing. It's hard mentally. Yeah, they're in 2 groups, Karma. 2 groups of 10. I had them in 5 groups of 4. I mean, 4 groups of 5. I had them in 4 groups of 5 the past few days, but now they're in 2 groups of 10. And yeah, I'm really messing up. You know, the goal, I found that the best way to get to payout is going for like $400 a day. At least for me, because I'm gonna have a blow up day. There's no doubt about it. I'm gonna have a blow up day, so I need to get to the payout level as fast as possible. What's the required profit target for 8-bit? 4,000. Gotta get up 4,000, and the best way for me to do that is like $400 to $600 a day. So I'm not behind, but I'm just taking it slow, and I know there's going to be a blow-up day. Adrian, you can actually do that. Oh, well, not Top Step X, actually. Not Top Step X. But you can copy trade Top Step with others. And Alpine found a way. There's no daily profit target. Oh, yeah, it's $50 a day. But I ain't even worried about that, because you need 5 days of $50. I don't worry about that. I just worry about getting to the profit target first. I just worry about getting to the profit target. 1 hour's closing here in 4 minutes. Yeah, Apex is good. They have a lot of rules, I will say. They have a lot of rules that people don't like. But if you follow the rules, then you get paid. and they're their sales over right now. They just had an 80% off sale, but when they run their sales, they run them every few months or every few weeks. It just depends on when they run their sales, but they might run a Valentine's Day sale. If they run a Valentine's Day sale, they're the cheapest that you can make the most amount of money on, because you can have 20 accounts. So you can make the most amount of money with Apex, in my opinion. You know, Top Step you can, if that's your style, but you have to be able to push an account. See, I can't push an account. I'm a base hit style. Valentine's Day denial? Oh no. I'm a base hit type style trader. So the 20 accounts is good for me, because all I have to do is just get my base hit each day, and it's like I'm getting a base hit on one account, but it's multiplied times 20. So
he already has left his.
dang it. I'm gonna have to pause the. Hang on. Maybe I can put on these. My headphone died. Might be hearing some. Sorry. You might be hearing some mirroring or whatever. Some echoing. Hang on. Let me connect this. Alright, there we go. Sorry about that. Headphone died. Had to switch over to the other one. Headphone died. I had to switch over to the other one. Yep, Adrian, you got it. Just aim for the base hits on Apex. 2 minutes till this 1 hour, man. I'm excited. I don't know, for some reason I feel like the 1 hour is just gonna pop. It looks so good to come down that I think the 1 hour is just gonna pop it. Wouldn't that be something? Like, this is like textbook looking bearish action. Be perfect time for the NASDAQ to just fake everyone out. Knowing the NASDAQ. Alrighty. Coming down here. There's the new 1 hour. There we go. Little pop-up. Little pop-up. Let's see what this 15-minute. There you go. Another 40 ticks off the 15-minute. Off the 15-minute orb. Should have been playing this all day long. This is my old strategy. Should have been playing this all day long. It's just handing out base hits. What do you mean? Why do I need... Why do I need volume profile when I see all this right here? Look, it's resistance turns into support. Why do I need volume profile to see that? And then right here, we've got a resistance. Why do I need volume profile? Look, bounce, came up, respected it. Respected it. Bang. Why do I need volume profile to see that? I can see it with my own eyes. I got you. I got you. Yeah, it might make it. It probably makes it easier. But the only thing is, like, when I start looking at too many things, and it just scares me out of trades. Camille, when do you start the 15-minute orb overnight open? No, I started at London Open. Well, I guess, yeah. So 3 o'clock to 3:15. 3 to 3:15. And then there's also, you can use the 1 hour. So let's look at the 1 hour. That's the 1 hour right there. That's the 1 hour. Let's look at the Asian 1 hour. There's the Asian 1 hour. What about the Asian 15 minutes? Asian 15 minutes. New York 1 hour. Probably somewhere down here. That's true, Elanium. You got it. Oh, thanks for subscribing, Jerome Stevens Jr. Let's go. No, the 5 days don't have to be consecutive. Yeah, there is a consistency rule. Consistency rule is 30%. Yeah, so they got a lot of rules. So you can't. Consistency rules 30%. You can't go more than 50% of your drawdown in one trade. They've got multiple rules. I don't know, but the first, I'm going to tell you a little hack. Just get to the payout the first time. Just don't worry about the rules. Camille, I'm trading in groups of 10, so 2 groups of 10. Don't worry. Yo, thanks for subscribing, Zay. Let's go. I wouldn't worry about the rules. You know, I would just get to the profit target first. And then if you get denied, then start following the rules for the next 8 days. Because I did that before and it worked. So you just get to the profit target. And if you get denied, then you just make 6 days of $50 and you can flip the last 2 days. And that's how you do it. Well, Adrian on the first. Oh yeah, Adrian. Yep. I do it for 6. You only have to do it for 5, but I don't want any risks with if I made the 30% consistency rule. So I do 6 days and then I flip the last 2. And I hope they don't change that rule, because that is literally an Apex hack right now with the rules. Yo, Bob Sheldon, appreciate it for subscribing. We're getting the subscribers up in here now. Let's go. Appreciate it. Let's go. What is price gonna do here, man? I told you, it's looking so good to come down that they're just gonna fake everybody out and go up. Look at this. Look at this. Thing is paying. That thing is paying today. Dang, I should have been taking that. I should have just been taking it today. Oh, man. Coming up here. What's gold doing? What's gold doing? Chopping around. Gold is chopping around. Yeah, kinda, Karma. Kinda looking for shorts. So, this right here in versus, I would take a short. Make sure this is working here. I got 2 groups, Sammy. 2 groups of 10. Gonna run this one on both groups, actually. Just risk it. One. Alright, we're in them all. See if it keeps going up or goes down here. Doesn't look good. Gosh darn it. Getting faked out of the moon here. Yeah, just do them all. Just do them all. And I'm gonna get stopped. See, like lately, I just need to be taking the opposite of the trades I'm taking. It's probably gonna come up here and then go down. We're just in them all. We're just in them all here. big old, going for a big old gain here. See if we get wrecked. Probably get wrecked here. Yep. We got a 5-minute gap here. I wonder if it's gonna close above there. Do you use indicators or confluences? Yeah, I use confluences, but I don't really use a lot of indicators. Jack spamming. Bro, chill. I mean, I just use like support and resistance, trend lines, inversions, stuff like that, Jack. So we got like a five minute resistance right here. We got a head and shoulders forming. We've got an inversion, 5-minute inversion right here. We got the Asian lows down here, and a lot of times it'll go take those out at some point. So stuff like that. You take longs, Jack. I'm in a short. You take a long, Jack. I'm taking a short. I'm in a short. Oh yeah, baby, come on down. Dude, the copy trader's messing up here. Whatever. I'm gonna get out here. Bang. Boom, baby. Probably keeps going down. Bro, what the heck? Did one of my accounts not get activated? Was one of them... Bro, was one of them not in the trade? One of them's only up $52. Whatever, I don't care. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. I'm not even gonna worry about that one. What are these lines, bro? They're not even right. So this was a loser. Then we had a winner. And another winner. You trade it open? No, I do, but I can't right now because we just opened a jewelry store, and so I'm there with that. I'm at the jewelry store. During the New York Open, I'm at the jewelry store. Look at it. I could have stayed in it. I knew it. I know it was going down. Jack's up here telling me to go long. Where's Jack at now? Where's Jack? Where's Jack at, man? He was telling me to go long up here. Jack must be managing his positions right now. Jack must be managing his positions. All right, guys, appreciate it. Thanks for hanging out. That's going to be it for me. That's gonna be it for me, guys. I'm about to get off of here. Gonna get some sleep before I have to go to work. And join the Discord down below, and if you pick up any accounts, use code SLATE. Appreciate it. We'll be back here tomorrow for the London session. What's tomorrow? Friday, last day of the week tomorrow. Gonna play it safe tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good day. I'll see ya. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always nimble. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by, golden gains reach its sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky, go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold. Money rain from the sky, go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by, golden gains reach its sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls, aiming for those trading goals. Oh God, 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 oh God. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by, golden gains reach its sky. Every trade winning